these fields in the hot summer sun. Over by the gate, Lordy, here she comes, with a basket full of chicken and a big cold jug of sweet tea. I make a little room and she climbs on up, open up the throttle and store a little dust. Just a look faint, she ain't a fooling me. She thinks my tractor's sexy, it really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. She likes the way it's pulling while we're chilling up the land. She's even kind of crazy about my farmer's tan. She's the only one who really understands what gets me